Hello everyone, Manny here from Manny's How-To Workshop with a quick update on the sand, dirt, and gravel tamper update. Last video I told you guys that the only thing left that I needed to do was add some gussets or some kind of support on the outside of the pipe that I used. And here you can see I went ahead and first I actually doubled up on the welds at the bottom of the pipe. I did a second pass, and then I went ahead and decided to use something that I had already here, which this is a 1/2 inch rebar, and I cut them, at 45s bottom and top, and at about 5 inches long from top to bottom. And like I said, went around and welded all 4 pieces directly across from each other, which that'll give me the most strength and stability. As you can see, I also cleaned up this plate here first. I grounded it down just to make a smooth surface, because you can see this is a diamond plate. So to make sure that when I welded here, it was going to be pretty good, good penetration. It's still hot, so I'm not really going to try to touch it, but this is 1/4 inch material, and I went ahead and used this other 1/4 inch piece of stock that I had, and even touching this one right here, I can feel the heat on this one. And as you can see, I put my ground clamp there, and there's my wand right there with the positive. So all I got to do now is take the handle and install it back, like this. And I went ahead and marked where, as you can see, that's where the screw holes are right there, for the 2 screws that I have, just to help hold it in place so that when you're lifting up on it, it doesn't come out. I mean, it's pretty snug. As you can see, I put a little mark to line up the holes, so when I put it in, I'm going to use these 2 screws here to hold it in place. But all in all, I can either choose to prime it, since it's still bare right now, to kind of protect it, even though I'm going to store it in my shed, so it's not going to be around moisture to where it's going to rust. So what I'll probably do is either just take some primer, hit it on there, either that gray or black primer, and that way it just covers that, just for added protection. Just like over here, because here I got some threads, so I think that's what I'll probably do. Just go ahead and hit this up real quick and call it a day. But there it is. Little update on the tamper, so that now I can actually pound the crap out of, like I said, when I'm trying to tamp down some gravel, I don't have no worries about this holding up. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so, and also hit the little bell button next to the subscribe button, so you can get updated notifications for updated videos. Thanks again, have a good afternoon, and as you can see today here, it's actually raining. There you go. But it was hot as balls earlier, like 93, 95, which the rain is good. So have a good one, guys. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.